Hi guys, I'm Pip and welcome to my sweet digs. If you haven't already, subscribe below and come on in. I live in a maisonette in a 60s tower block in Hoxton, which is in East London. I live here with my boyfriend Dan. He's actually from the area and he owns the flat. So I pay £400 towards the mortgage, which is a bargain for an area and a flat like this. So over here we have my living room. It houses quite a lot of my plants. As you can see, I've got a lot of them. I got most of them from Columbia Road Flower Market, which is just across the road. The flower market makes Hoxton unique. On a Sunday, it's so busy. There's like people from all parts of the world here. They're like really London, like flower traders, and they like shout all kinds of funny stuff. I have a lot of mid-century furniture. It's one thing that I really love, but we try and mix it in with like industrial pieces. This piece of furniture is actually probably the only piece of furniture that my boyfriend had in this flat. And I saw this and I thought, okay, you know, he's quite cool. At least he has a piece of mid-century furniture. Inside it like houses all of the DVDs and the TV stuff that's so ugly, and you can just put it away and hide it. This is the main focal point of our living room. It's a bookcase that we actually built out of scaffolding planks, and it houses all of my little pots and plants and trinkets. We have this awesome balcony, and look, we've got Canary Wharf over there and the Olympic Stadium. The whole of East London, it's just perfect on a day like today. We have the kitchen over here with a big breakfast bar. It's quite small, but it's open plan, which is nice. You can all hang out in one big space. There's a lot of good prep area to do the cooking and like lay everything out. Obviously we do all the cooking over there on the stove. I said stove, that's so American. Why did I say that? I just cook whatever I fancy, whatever they have in the organic shop. The thing is that we like to do it together, or I like to control what's happening and Dan will help me. We live in a flat that is across 2 floors, which I think is quite cool. I think it's probably quite typical of a 60s like building. So follow me upstairs and I'll give you a little tour of it there. Our bedroom, it's yet to be decorated. It's actually my next task is to do this room. Dan has given me the theme of Miami Vice. So millennial pinks, velvet headboard, very boudoir-y, lots of plants. And we're gonna do a naughty gallery wall. We have a great piece by the Notes to Strangers. I've got one that's like, you can be a feminist but enjoy spanking, which is quite fun. One of my favorite things in this room is the record player. It doesn't work, and I think it's gonna cost a lot of money to get it fixed, but it really goes with the mid-century like teak vibe that I've got downstairs in the flat. These are mine and Dan's childhood toys, Ben Bunny and Foxy. They have now become best friends. He's my little thing that makes me feel safe at all times. And over this side, we have our office. I can work from home here. Dan makes jungle music. So this is all of his equipment. This piece is something that I bought Dan for his birthday. This is a jungle song. I have no knowledge of jungle, so I don't know, but he loves it and it makes him really happy. Yeah, I love orange. It's the happiest color. It just makes you feel so good. Orange shirts, orange bag. I love this orange cushion. We bought this couch specifically because it was orange. We have a toilet. And then this is the bathroom. So they're separated. The bathroom is actually the only room in the house that I really don't like. It's really small, there's no bath, there's no natural light. Eventually we'll probably do it up and knock the wall through, but right now there's nothing going on, so let's not spend any more time in here and let's go and check out one of the other rooms. We've got our walk-in wardrobe. The most expensive thing that we have in the house is the wardrobe. I have everything hung on velvet hangers because you get more clothes in that way. But it does manage to house everything. On this side, we have Dan's trainer collection. He has 200 pairs. He loves them. He wears a different pair every day. I take all the photos for his Instagram. His trainer collection definitely dictated how the room was going to be designed. So we decided to go for a IKEA bookcase so that everything could be stacked and quite neat. I've actually put Dan on a 1 in, 1 out basis on the shoes. Whether he will stick to that, we will find out. It's kind of the same with me in clothes. I collect dagger collar shirts, so they're a specific shirt from the 1970s, and they have really big pointed collars. I don't even look at the design, the color, the size. I look specifically at the collar, and then I'll see if it fits me. I have this one. I think this one really has a kind of like Gucci vibe to it. I think this is the biggest collar I have. This is actually a smaller one. Got a green one. Yeah. I've lived in this flat for about a year. Me and my partner have been together for a year and a half, and quite quickly after we got together, I moved in. Hoxton's great. There is a overground train very close. There's lots of really cool cafes and coffee shops. The people are really nice and friendly, and there's lots of cool shops. We're right close to Shoreditch, so lots of bars and stuff for a night out. Hoxton is like one of those places where there's people that have lived here forever, like my boyfriend Dan, or there's people from all over the world. It's just great. I think it's really important to have a place where you can come and kind of switch off from your day job. But I'm always so busy, so it's really nice to come here and chill out and relax at the end of the day and just switch off from all of that. Thank you for watching my sweet digs. If you want to watch other cool videos like this, you want to just hit the box right here, and to subscribe, hit the box down here. Now, see you later.